What's good, Pride Squad, man? It's your boy JR here, back with another video, man. And today's video is one of the simplest videos that I probably should have done years ago. But my plastic did work was so good, it just lasted the test of time. You feel me? So I didn't decide to mess with it until now. So as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be swapping out the gas cap. Now this gas cap right here, I know you all are looking at it right now and saying, oh, it's a black gas cap, you know what I'm saying? It's cool, what's wrong with it? Well, if you look closely, you'll see that there are some chrome, imperfections here, some scratching, some stuff is coming off. And I know you look on the inside and you say, oh, well, I mean, it's black, it's cool, what's wrong with it? It's not black. It's actually still the regular chrome one. As you can see, it's starting to peel off and stuff like that. So, I mean, I probably could have got away with just doing the, plastic dipping and whatnot, but I didn't want to go on and do that, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to go ahead on and swap it out and get an official black gas cap. So, we're gonna come over here to this right here. Some ground so y'all can see it. So what I did is I went on eBay and I finally ordered an official, take this plastic off, an official black, satin black. This one, I call it a murdered out gas cap. The whole fuel door and everything. So, you know what I'm saying? It's official. It's 100% official. So I know y'all pretty good about, y'all want to ask about part numbers and stuff like that. But I'm gonna be honest with you, man. This one, let me see. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all a part number, but it's pretty simple. You just go on eBay and Google Challenger, put in your year model, 2015, 2016, or whatever model you got, and black fuel cap or fuel door or something like that, and they'll pop up. This one right here I got for, I believe it was 45 bucks, but you can find one probably for 35 now, you know what I'm saying? And to be honest with you, I don't even know. Shoot, man, this one came from Compton, California. This is my first time seeing one that had like the, like this part here, the fuel part, not like this right here. This is what I thought it was gonna look like, but it doesn't, which is cool. I mean, like I said, it's a murdered out version, and I'm perfectly fine with that. As y'all can see, my camera cooperates with the lighting here. I have my car jacked up. I'm in the garage because it is hot outside. It looks nice, but yes, it's really hot outside. So got my car jacked up already, and pretty much all you have to do is reach under the fender well here and reach up and you pop the clips out. I'm gonna show you on this one right here. So you just gonna basically unclip them from right here, like that clip there. You got another one here, here. You know what I'm saying? You pop them out from the back, pull out the old one, pop in the new one, and then you're gonna detach this little clip, your actual fuel cap here from the old door, and put it into the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead on and get started on that. I'm solo today, so I'm gonna have to put y'all down and try to reach around and do it myself. You feel me? So I'm gonna have to sit y'all up over here. So we're gonna make sure, you know what I'm saying, that I get everything how it should be. Anyway, so we are here. We're about to go ahead on and reach up under here and pop out this gas cap. First thing I'm gonna do, take your gas cap off. Because if you pop the clips out and try to pull it out, you end up breaking some shit. You don't wanna do that. All right, so here we go. Checking up under here. So you got a fender well, and y'all know my car was worked on recently. All you really have to do is just kind of pull it down a little bit. So my stuff is still kind of fresh. Damn, this is easy. This is easy. This is like, now I see why this was like the first install that a lot of people did. I got one clip, second clip trying to give me a hard time. Hold up, there go another clip. In the meantime, while y'all sitting here looking at me doing this, and you seeing the hair slinging, go check out my Dread Journey channel, man. JohnnyLox. Link in the description. Yeah. All right. So now we got all the clips out. Now it's just holding on in this rubber piece, which is pretty tight. Just pull it off hard, you know what I'm saying, and boom, there it go. Old chrome out the way. We're gonna take this off because we need this. All you really gotta do when you're pulling that out, just gently apply some pressure, boom, and that pops off. Plastic dip. This has been plastic dipped. God, how long I had this car? 3 years and some change. The only reason it looks like this is because when I get gas and it kind of drips, like gasoline just straight up takes the plastic dip completely off. That's the only reason. Other than that, look at that, man. And there go that new boy. Yeah. It's that murdered out gas cap right there. Look, here go the thumbnail. Let me get that arm up in there. Yeah, that's the thumbnail. All right, so open the door. Let me zoom in on for y'all a little bit here. It's not hard. All we gotta do, take the other one in. You got your clips around here. All you gotta do is just line it up. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Now, one thing that I'm seeing that you probably wanna do, as much as y'all hate to see this, but you probably wanna get you a screwdriver, because you're gonna have to, this rubber piece right here on the inside, you're gonna have to push that around. So if you look in here, that's the gas thing right there. This rubber piece has to go around that. So it has to come through. So you're gonna have to use a screwdriver or something to kind of, you know what I'm saying, pull it around so it can come through. Look at that quarter panel, man. Shout out to Ren's Body Shop, man. Y'all did a damn good job. All right, y'all, so yeah, once you get the rubber piece that's in the middle, get it back around outside of you know what I'm saying, a little gas tube thingy here. Once you get that around, then you're gonna take your old door and then you just clip it in like so. Put your gas cap on, make sure that thing click. Boom. Yeah. Can't even see the fuel on it. The word. Look at that. Almost looks like the... Actually, you know what? This works out perfect right here, because this right here is blacked out and it's kind of got the, you know what I'm saying, that like that with the black, but then it also matches right here on my trunk. You know what I'm saying? So look at that, man. Look at God. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? So it kind of works out that way, you know what I'm saying? That right there matches. Got them both matching. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up right there. Okay, so that's looking good. That's all sturdy. We got a little dirt up here, but so if this is your first time at the channel, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. I probably should have did this a long time ago. This should have been the first thing that I did. I'm actually about to pull it out now and I'm about to wash it. I got a pressure washer over here. Shout out to Keith, you know what I'm saying, for hooking me up with that. And I also got, I'm about to put them on, Keith. I'm about to put them on, dog. I also got this foam cannon right here. Got this foam cannon right here that I got from Advanced Auto Parts. From what I hear, man, it's a real good foam cannon. So I'm about to go on and hook it up. Got to clean up both of the cars. I actually got to clean up my wife's car, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go on and clean mine up too. Just as soon as this sun goes down, son, man, because it's like, it's so hot out there, man. It's no joke. Look at this. It's a beautiful day, man, but it's hella hot. Oh, can't do it, man. But anyway, like I said, man, this is your first time at the channel, go on and hit the like button, drop a comment below, subscribe, turn your bell notification on so you know when I'm posting videos. Go and follow me if you on IG at JRTProductions 3, Snapchat J_Rocks 3. You already on the YouTube channel, so y'all go ahead on and do that. Till the next time, man. Oh, by the way, thank you all so much for the 100 likes on the Wicker Bill video. Or was it the Wicker Bill video? Yeah. On the Wicker Bill video, we definitely gonna go ahead on and get this shark fin. I got it on the way. So this right here will be replaced very shortly. It'll be here like next Thursday or something. I tried to get a white one, but they're really particular about the year of your car. So I had to make sure that I got the right one for my year car. So it is a black one. It's a black satin one, well, matte black, just like that one right there. So, but it's a shark fin. So we're gonna go on and swap that out later on this week or next weekend or something like that, man. Hopefully, you know, I'll see if Keith can help me out with that, because he swapped his out. The boy do everything. So y'all make sure y'all go follow him on RTRich88 on IG if you want any work done. But anyway, man, this JRTProductions. I'll holler at y'all next one. Peace.